Okino Percussion is a one-man operation that creates custom-built one-of-a-kind cajones. Each one is handmade by me in Morris, Pennsylvania, using native PA hardwoods. They're almost 100% repurposed or reclaimed out of wood picked from scrap bins or left behind by loggers in the woods. Bottoms are made with construction scraps, but for acoustic purposes, the front plates need to be made with 3-ply Baltic birch. Each one contains fixed 64 snare strands, but can be adjusted by removing the front and adjusting 2 screws. All of my cajones come with a snare-free rim shot stick in the top corner and are signed and numbered by me, even named, if there is something about the grain or color that brings a name to mind. Rubber feet and 5 coats of durable poly keep them looking and sounding their very best. Cabinet size, materials, and design make them exceptionally loud with rich-sounding, remarkable bass response. For more information, go to okinopercussion.com.